Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 16 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to fix unresponsive touchscreen. In the beginning, let's go to settings on your smartphone and find accessibility. Now enter Touch Accommodations and enable it. Now adjust touch assistance between off, use initial touch location or use final touch location. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.